So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use VSDC free video editor. So VSDC is a video editor that's free and paid. So you got the pro version and the not the pro version, like the normal version. But we're going to show you the tutorial for the free version, and this video editor has no watermark at all and it's safe. So first, open VSDC Video Editor. So you're gonna use the search, and VSDC Video Editor is loading here. I can show it on my second monitor because it's showing on my first monitor. And then okay, so VSDC Video Editor just opened, and we got the Pro one, but I'm just gonna use not the Pro one, the normal version. So you can just name the project here. So I'm gonna just name the tutorial. You can name it anything you want. The video can have the resolution here, also HD 4K, but it's gonna let the more resolution you have, the more storage you need, because more resolution, more bigger file. Okay, so here we're just loading the VSDC Video Editor, and here we have like the line here, so you can select the part of the video. So here we got the view one, so you can view in 1080p or 720p. And here we got Objects Explorer and Project Explorer and Objects Explorer. So here we can add objects, you can add one sprite, duplicate, line, rectangle, ellipse, reshape, text, subtitles, tooltip, chart, animation, image, video, audio personalization, movement, and everything. And here we have video effects. Video effects, we have quick styles, adjustments, filters, transform, special transparency, special effects, sound 60 and 3D, nature, transitions. And here we have audio effects, and you can also silence your video, and you can also use Gaussian blur. So if you have a portrait video and you don't want your background is just black, you can use Gaussian blur. So here we have amplitude, and you can silence our video with delay, filters, and scratch special. And once you export the project, you can export here, but we're gonna do that later. So we're gonna pick our video first. So I'm gonna pick our video, my video. So here we got object position settings. So here we got by year from cursor position to cursor position, full parent duration from scene begin to scene end, from manual position to manual position. We get lock start position, lock end position, add new layer, insert new layer, and insert to layer. So we get position and duration here. So again, manual position. So you get manual position. So if the line is on here, the video starts in here. So make sure you measure the line. And you can still use everything you want here, but for me, I use the easier. I use for manual position because it's easier for me, but I don't know if it's easier to use. So click OK, and the video starts at here. So this is just like video. This is a video that I made it, but I don't got 12 FPS. Yeah, you can just also watch the video on YouTube. Okay, so first, and here you can adjust the audio volume here. You can see the audio volume here, and then yeah, it's good, not that loud. And you can also add some. So if you want to silence the video, so you want to add some songs and you don't want anybody to hear your video sounds, so you can just click the video here. You can just click this, click to audio effects, amplitude, and click silence. So once you click silence, click this and then click OK, and then you can see the video is silent. And you're gonna go back to scene 0 here, and then watch your video. Yeah, your video is completely silent and there's no sound in your video. And you can also add some music here and image also. So I'm gonna pick the music, and then I'm just gonna skip it. Okay guys, now I'm done filling the video. Okay, so I'm done. Now I'm done picking my audio. Yeah, I already done picking the audio. Yeah, now it's filled. So I'm gonna pick for manual position and click OK. And this is the music here. You can see band sound happy rock here, and once you play it, you can hear that, and then Okay, this is gonna be too loud. Okay, now I'm going to adjust the volume here. So this is volume. So this is the normal volume. You can make it higher here. This is 24, and you can make it minus. So if minus, it's just you lower the audio. So they are recommended to use 16 or 19. Okay, 16. Because if you're making a video with a voice and the sound it's too loud, people cannot hear your sound. I mean your voice. So here you can also copy by clicking Ctrl+C or Ctrl+V. You can just also click copy here and paste here. But if you want to make it easier, you can just click Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Here we have a lot of you get 3 sounds here, and you can also trim your video, trim your sound, trim your video here. Yes, so we want to trim your video, and you can also trim the sounds, the image. You can also trim it. And I don't know what is suddenly sliding here. Okay, so it's done. And then once you're done, you can just export it. But in this tutorial, we're just gonna add some text. So just gonna click add object and click text here. So click text for manual position, and you can just text, for example, hello. Yeah, it says no. Add object text here for manual position here, and then text color black. You can just change it, and you can change the font to picture arrow before me, bunch of but semicolon. So let's say here, hello, or we can just subscribe. So the text will be over here. So this is text one. I just delete it. It's gonna delete. Okay, it's the video, not the text. You can just undo by clicking Ctrl+Z, Ctrl+Z. Yeah. So this is text one. And delete text one. Okay, so your text is going to finish. So if you want, for example, you want the text here, so just trim the text here, text to here, and you're done. So let me play that. So and now this is this video editor is really nice because they have no watermark and it's free, and I just use this video editor for editing all my videos that I want to edit on my PC. So here you can pick the file location, and now I'm just going to just export project here. Oh yeah, I forgot to just tell you, here edit profile. You can edit the profile here, and you can have ultra quality, and you can use the video resolution 1920 and times 1080. It can apply profile, and then export project and continue, and then just wait for the video to export. And yeah, just thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment my video, and subscribe to my channel. So bye guys, see you next video.